Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of changing the page zoom in Google Chrome. By adjusting the zoom level, you can make web pages appear larger or smaller on your screen. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Launch the browser by clicking on the icon on your desktop or finding it in your Applications folder. Step 2. Go to Settings. Look for the button with 3 horizontal bars located in the upper right corner of the browser. Click on it to reveal the main menu. Scroll down and select Settings. This action will load the Settings page in a new tab. Step 3. Click on Appearance. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll find a list of options. Locate and click on Appearance to access the appearance settings. Step 4. Next to Page Zoom, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal the available zoom options. Choose the desired percentage that suits your preference. You can select a higher percentage to zoom in, making the page content appear larger, or a lower percentage to zoom out, making the page content appear smaller. That's it. You've successfully changed the page zoom in Google Chrome. Remember, adjusting the page zoom can help improve readability and make your browsing experience more comfortable. Play around with different zoom levels until you find the one that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.